Brings you quality choices with Goil Super XP, available in many Goil stations nationwide. It is fortified with special additives that help your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a Goil station today and energize your ride with Goil Super XP, compatible with most vehicles. Goil Super XP will feel ya, huh? Will be feel. Goil, good energy. Ja, dia.
You know the now. You are living the now. You feel secure in the now. But what about tomorrow? What happens when you can no longer do the things you love? What happens to your loved ones when you are no longer here? Get Mikakrawa from Prudential Life now and protect your future and that of your loved ones. With as little as 3 Ghana cedis, Mikakrawa covers you in case of death, total and permanent disability, or critical illness.
Saga, Abraboy, Uncle Tabu, a dead and Danny, the plan of Dutch, 45 city, intimate dying. No sweet say ever born Dutch. 5 years this year, Nadal, star 778 ash. Oh, I'm telling you this year. Come with this year. Come with this year. Make a crowd.
At Academic City, we are not just students. We are problem solvers, innovators, and future-ready leaders. We power the future and create groundbreaking technologies ready to tackle real-world challenges head-on. In a world driven by technology, we shape the digital landscape, transforming challenges into opportunities. At the core of strategic thinking and decision making, we thrive in the dynamic realm of commerce. We evolve into leaders who not only speak but stand for what's right, forging narratives and stirring the conscience of the world. Embark on a journey with us where innovation meets education. Academic City, educating future-ready leaders.
Ow.
Let me see.
She's never had a toothache before.
There might be a cavity. Don't you use Pepsodent?
We used to, but I'll try the new one.
Ah, that's why.
But doesn't every toothpaste give cavity protection?
Not really. Pepsodent's Cavity Fighter repairs tiny invisible holes to give 10 times stronger teeth. Will you trust Pepsodent?
Definitely. Pepsodent. 10 times stronger teeth.
Use Pepsodent's Cavity Fighter.
I know you are there. Come on, Akoto.
Hello, Alpha. Yeah, the landlady is here today too. She's harassing me this morning. Yes, come and see how I'm sweating.
Well, if I catch you,
Yes, the number I sent you the last time. Yes, use the Jupe app. It will come right now.
Hey, bra. Ah, so when you come on me, give me my money. Me, Jim Sika.
We didn't know. When you Jupe is here, yes, Karanabe. Jupe. Jupe is the best money transfer app that is used to send money directly from the US to Ghana free of charge. They have the best rates in the market and they are very competitive. And no thing is Kano Kana Abrosono.
Jim Sika.
Accra College of Medicine is the leading private medical college in the country, seeking to train doctors who are committed to excellence and have the heart power. With the state-of-the-art facilities, small class size, and an amazing faculty, we help our students learn better.
My dream of becoming a medical doctor is now a reality because at ACM, I am offered the best learning experience.
We are accredited by the National Accreditation Board and the Medical and Dental Council. ACM is affiliated to the University of Ghana with mentorship from the University of Ghana Medical School.
For those who want to pursue medicine, our doors are wide open. Accra College of Medicine is the place to be.
Visit www.acm.edu.gh to apply now. Accra College of Medicine, producing the next generation of health professionals.
Hey. So many people with your name. What makes you stand out? When you are called, will you be ready? Get the X Factor advantage with an ALX course. Search ALX Ghana online to learn more about our programs.
How do I look?
You look so gorgeous, Auntie.
Thank you. I hope my date feels the same. Am I not forgetting something?
Yes, obviously. Laura Mimi.
Thank you. Can I use the washroom, please?
Sure. Flora disposable handkerchief.
You obviously aren't using Flora tissues, my dear, because the Flora tissues, they are soft and easy on the skin and they leave no particles.
I hope you had a good time.
I had fun, thank you for dinner. Are you okay? Do you want to use the washroom? Yeah. Okay, fine.
Hey, broke uncle. I will tell Auntie.
Fat Jimmy. I just love how it feels.
In
increasing over its domain or it is decreasing over its domain. Selenam.
True.
You're right. With the same preamble.
Hey! Charity school is brilliant. My son will attend the school at all costs. Hey, let me call Adwa. What? I shock safe. Adwa, listen. Our son will attend the school at all costs.
Send money home.
Listen, I'm sending some more money for him, okay? Right. Oh, right now. You may draw you pieces here. Yeah, okay, right. Charlie, my boy.
Help you make the
Nice
most
one.
of your money. Needs, send fire to pay. Charlie to pay.
Jupe Money Transfer. Send money home to family and loved ones from the US and Canada. Download the Jupe app, send money with your school code, and your school gets $20 on your first transaction for any school project of their choice. For your school code and for more information, visit www.jupe.co. Download the app to join the Jupe train. Jupe Money Transfer. Meet a need. Send via Jupe.
Charlie to pay.
Good energy brings you quality choices with Gold.
Hello. Thank you, audience. May we start now? Thank you. Hello and welcome to the 1/8 stage of the 2024 National Championship of the National Science and Maths Quiz. Competing in this contest are University Practice Senior High School, Winneba Senior High School, and Mfantsipim School. So we'll meet our contestants now. From University Practice Senior High School, we have
and
Israel Edwin Kwabna.
University Practice. You've had a couple of contests before this one. How has this year's competition been for you? Go ahead.
It's been very nice to us.
It's been good to you. That's interesting. I'm happy to hear that. I pray it continues being nice to you. Winneba Senior High School is represented by, go ahead.
Abdullah Farid
and
Orokans Lawrence.
Winneba Senior High School. Tell us about your journey. How has it been?
Our journey has not been an easy one, but
by the grace of God, we were able to sail through, and we are hoping He will continue to help us sail through.
I wish you the best. Mfantsipim School comes into the contest as the seeded school. Mfantsipim School is represented by
Isaac Mensah
and
David Atsuhiford.
Mfantsipim, how has the journey been for you in this year's competition?
Okay, so this has been a very exciting journey for us. It has been full of a lot of things, ups and downs and all that. But we have come here with a lot of expectations. We have also come in the name of God. We have come with hope and belief that at the end of the day, victory will be ours to the glory of the name of God.
Amen. I wish you the best. The National Science and Maths Quiz is proudly sponsored by the Ghana Education Service in partnership with GOL PLC and supported by Joy News, Pepsodent, Due Pay Money Transfer, Prudential Life Insurance Ghana, Better Malt, ALX, Kivo, Bell Beverages, Flora Tissues, Coronation Insurance, Accra College of Medicine, University of Mines and Technology, Academic City University College, PMMC Jewelry, GTP, CHAS, YFM and Gelmark Foundation. My name is Dr. Mrs. Nao Deshwinga, your quiz mistress, and this is a primetime production. So contestants, you're welcome. We have 5 rounds of competition. Apart from round 3, you are going to answer questions from physics, chemistry, biology, and mathematics. You have 30 seconds to answer questions involving calculations and 10 seconds for those not involving calculations. You have just 1 attempt at answering. Be sure of your answer before you start speaking. If I ask you to repeat your answer, you repeat it. If you don't and you change it, everything will be nullified. In round 1, each school will get a question to be answered correctly for a maximum of 3 points. When you are wrong or you don't answer and the bell goes out on you, another school may ring to answer correctly for a bonus point. But when they are wrong, they would lose a point. So we'll start with the first round. Please don't ring the bell when a school is supposed to be answering. We'll start with the first round. I'll be starting with university practice. I wish all schools the best. The first set of questions come with a preamble, and it reads, find the coordinates of the point of inflection of the given curve. Find the coordinates of the point of inflection of the given curve. University practice. Y equals x cubed minus 6x squared plus 5x plus 3. Go ahead, Edwin.
2, negative 3.
Correct. Winneba. Y equals x cubed plus 3x squared minus 4x plus 8. Lawrence.
-1, 14
Correct. Mfantsipim. Mfantsipim. Y equals x cubed minus 3x squared plus 5x minus 2. Go ahead, Isaac.
1,1.
Correct. University practice. Mention the environmental concern that refers to the gradual increase in Earth's average temperature due to human activities. Yes, Edwin.
Global warming.
Correct. Winneba. Meeting the environmental needs of the present generation without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their needs is termed as
eugenics.
No, please. Mfantsipim. Give the environmental term that refers to the release of chemicals that harm the environment and living organisms. Go ahead.
Pollution.
Correct. Winneba. Yours was sustainability. Sustainability. Preamble to all schools. The position vector of a particle is given by at squared I plus btj plus c sine the expression omega t k, where a, b, c, and omega are constants and t is time. I take the preamble again. The position vector of a particle is given by at squared I plus btj plus c sine omega t, so the sign affects the omega t, k, where a, b.
The velocity at t equals 0 is bg plus.
Speak into the mic, please.
bg plus c omega k.
Correct. Winneba. Find the acceleration of the particle at t equals 0.
The acceleration is 2ai.
Correct. Mfantsipim. Find the velocity of the particle at t equals pi over omega. Isaac.
So the velocity is given by a fraction with numerator 2 pi a and denominator omega, all this in I plus bj. minus C omega K, all in meters per second.
Incorrect. Winneba.
So the velocity is bi minus omega c k.
Incorrect. It is bj minus c omega k. Preamble to all schools. Give the specific periodic property represented by the given equation. Give the specific periodic property represented by the given equation. University practice. Gaseous Na resulting in gaseous Na plus E.
First ionization energy of sodium.
Correct. Winneba. Gaseous Cl plus E electron resulting in gaseous Cl minus.
The first electron affinity of chlorine.
Correct. Mfantsipim. Gaseous Al2 plus resulting in gaseous Al3 plus E.
Okay, so it is the third ionization energy of aluminium.
Correct. Preamble. Simplify. University practice. The expression log of 125 times log 81 over the expression log of 625 times log 27. Yes, Edwin.
1.
Correct. Winneba. The expression log 64 times log 343 over the expression log 49 times log 256. University practice. Calculate the work done by 1.5 moles of a gas in an isobaric expansion from 0.25 cubic meters to 0.75 cubic meter at 24 kilopascal.
$12 kilojoules.
Correct. Winneba. In an isobaric expansion from 0.32 cubic meters to 0.57 cubic meter, the work done by 1.5 moles of a gas is 8.0 kilojoules is 8.0 kilojoules. Find the process pressure.
.32 kilopascal.
Correct. Mfantsipim School. Calculate the work done by 3.7 moles of a gas in an isobaric expansion from 0.080 cubic meter to 0.120 cubic meter at 16 kilopascals. Yes, David.
0.64 kilojoules.
Correct. Last set for this round, a preamble. And for this one, we have 30 seconds. Give the systematic name for. Give the systematic name for. University practice. 1-methyl-3-cyclopentanol. Yes, Adam.
3-methyl-cyclopentanol.
Correct. Winneba. 2-ethyl-2-butanol.
Three methyl 3-pentanol.
That's correct. Mfantsipim 1,2-dimethyl-1-propanol. Yes, David.
3-methyl-2-butanol.
That is correct. And that's the end of the first round. Mfantsipim School concerning their answer for the system that the kidney is part of. It is urinary system, and that's the reason. So they have written that the urinary system is also called the excretory system. But it's not just the urinary system that excretes things out of the body. The digestive system also excretes things. So the urinary system is not also called the excretory system. I'm sorry. So we are still on the Mfantsipim issue. I'm to accept with a warning. Yes. Because, strictly speaking, it is the urinary system, not the excretory system. But the consultant has accepted, so. Get 3 more. So, at the end of the first round, Winneba Senior High School had 20 points. Mfantsipim School had 21 points. And University Praxis Senior High School had 24 points. Contestants, we start our second round. And in this round, we have the Prudential Life Speed Race. We have the Prudential Life Speed Race. I'll be giving the questions, each question to all schools, and you may take turns in solving or in answering. If you are the first to answer correctly, 3 points for you. When you are wrong, a second school answers correctly for 2 points. When they are wrong, third school answers correctly for 1 point. Anytime you get it wrong, you lose a point. Now, when you ring the bell, as for this round, you can ring the bell at any time. But when you ring the bell and I call you, you have to start giving your answer immediately. If you don't, and 3 seconds pass, a bell will go out on you, and you lose the opportunity to give your answer, and you'd also lose a point as a penalty. So be sure you are ready with your answer. Please. In this round, you saying, and we have, and so this is what you have asked us, so this is what we have. As you say that, and the 3 seconds go out on you, you'll be bailed out. Go straight to the answer. Give me the answer. Don't tell me what I have asked for. So, the Prudential Life Speed Race is sponsored by Prudential Life Insurance Ghana. For every life, for every future. All the best to you. Speed race. Solve the exponential equation 3 to the power 2x minus 6 multiplying the expression 3 to the power x plus 8 equals 0. You leave answer as a single logarithm. University practice.
X is equal to log 4 2 over log 3, or x is equal to log 2 over log 3.
No, please. Winneba.
X is equal to log to the base 3 of 4, or x is equal to log to the base 3 of 2.
That is correct. Solve the equation. The expression tan x minus 1 multiplying the expression 2 cos x minus 1 equals 0. Mfantsipim, please. Okay, Mfantsipim answer.
Okay, so x is equal to pi over 4 radians, whereas or x is equal to pi over 3 radians.
That's correct. We continue. Audience, this is a speed race. Your contestants need to hear me, okay? Find the factorized equation of the quadratic curve with x-intercepts at A, -1, 0, and B, -3, 0. Yes, Mfantsipim.
The quadratic equation in y is equal to the expression in bracket x plus 1 multiplying another expression in bracket x plus 3.
Incorrect. Who ran? University practice.
Y equals x plus 1 squared minus 3. That is y, which is also y equals...
No, which is also...
Equal to y equals x squared plus 2x minus 2.
Incorrect. So I continue. And y-intercept 9. Winneba.
Y is equal to 9 multiplying x plus 3 multiplying x plus 1.
Incorrect. Y is equal to 3 multiplying the expression x plus 1 and the expression x plus 3. Where does the energy consumed in the electron transport chain to produce ATP come from? University practice.
It comes from breaking of bonds in glucose. That's the energy stored.
That's correct. If a neuron, I've started the next question, please. If a neuron is unable to intercept a signal from another neuron, then which part of the neuron receiving the message is most likely damaged? Mfantsipim.
The dendrite.
Correct. What name? I know. What name is given to the type of pollination where plants attract pollinators? Yes, Winneba.
Entomophily.
No, please. Attract pollinators by using bright colors or scents and offer no actual reward to the pollinator. Pollination by deception. Calculate the work done by the force, the expression 16J minus 4.0 K in newtons when its point of application moves from the expression 2.0 I minus 5.0 J. Yes, Mfantsipim.
Negative 80 joules.
Incorrect. In meters to 6.0 K meters. Yes, university practice.
56 joules.
Correct. We continue. Determine the impedance of a series RC circuit with R equals 0.30 kilo ohms and capacitive reactance. Yes, university practice.
0.50 kilo ohm.
Incorrect. Capacitive reactance 720 ohms. Mfantsipim.
It is 0.78 kilo ohms. That is 780 ohms.
You got correct. A particle moving at 5 meters per second collides with a stationary particle and slows down to 2 meters per second, whereas the other particle takes off at 3 meters per second ahead of the incoming particle. Calculate the coefficient. Yes, Mfantsipim.
0.2.
Correct. We continue. Calculate the mass of 4.82 times 10 to the power 23 molecules of bromine. University practice.
60 grams.
Incorrect. Mfantsipim.
24 grams.
Incorrect. It's 128 grams. Calculate the volume of carbon dioxide formed at STP when 2.00 moles of 2-propanol is burnt in excess oxygen. Mfantsipim.
134 decimeter cube.
Correct. Last question for this round. How many atoms are in the empirical formula of propyl benzene? University practice.
7.
Correct. That's the end of the Prudential Life Speed Race. University Practice Senior High School. I think they were the first to answer the first question from maths, which was our very first question for the round. Please, there was a caveat to this question. That was leave answer as a single logarithm. Leave answer as a single logarithm. And so the answers were x equals log base 3 of 2 and log base 3 of 4. And the second school gave me that answer. So there was a condition to it. Leave answer as a single logarithm. Thank you. Contestants, please, just concentrate on me. Don't look at anyone down there in the crowd. At this point, they don't matter. I'm the only one that matters. Don't look at anyone there, okay? Good. Because if I find your eyes going a-wandering, my mind will also go a-wandering, and it may affect you. So don't look at any other person apart from me. And those down, please, don't signal anything. If you signal and we catch you, it will go against your school. Thank you. We are going to give each table a sheet of paper. Don't touch that sheet of paper till I ask you to. There are repercussions to you not following this simple directive. Thank you. So at the end of the Prudential Life Speed Race, Winneba Senior High School had 20 points. University Practice Senior High School had 28 points. And Mfantsipim School had 32 points. Contestants, this is round 3. This is where we solve the problem. Please look at me. This is where we solve the problem of the day. The problem of the day is a common problem that you all would have to solve. And you have 4 minutes to solve that problem. The problem of the day is worth 10 points. We'll be reading the problem of the day together, after which you put your solutions on the screens provided. Then I'll come to assess your solutions, and I'll give you your points. I'll then read out the solution that was suggested by our consultant. A school would like to make a change. So in Mfantsipim School is taking out David for Peter to come in. Thank you. continue, please. We continue. You're welcome, Peter. Thank you for being with us, David. So may you all stand up now. Kindly pick up your sheets, turn them over, and reread. The compound with the molecular formula C4H8O has several isomeric compounds. Write the names of any 10 isomers of the compound. This is our problem of the day. You have 4 minutes starting now. writing. Our contestants put their solutions on the board. I have assessed them. And now I'm going to give the solution that was suggested by our consultant. So this was a chemistry problem of the day, and contestants were to write the names of any 10 isomers of C4H8O. There are actually 14 of them, and these are they. 2-butanone, butanol, 2-methylpropanol, cyclobutanol, 1-methylcyclopropanol, 2-methylcyclopropanol, but1-in-2-ol or 1-butene-2-ol, but2-in-2-ol or 2-butene-2-ol, but3-in-2-ol or 3-butene-2-ol, but1-in-1-ol or 1-butene-1-ol, but2-in-1-ol or 2-butene-1-ol, but3-in-1-ol or 3-butene-1-ol. Then we also have 2-methylprop1-in-1-ol or 2-methyl-1-propene-1-ol. Then the last one is 2-methylprop2-in-1-ol or 2-methyl-2-propene-1-ol. These were the compounds we were expecting. Unfortunately, we didn't get most from our contestants. So Winneba Senior High School had just one correct. Mfantsipim and University Practice each had 5 points. So we are done with the third round. We move to the fourth round. Please change to your school logos. Yes. Pass to him. Just pass on. You have we spoke about this thing during the teachers forum, that if you are to write 3-butene-1-ol and you wrote 3-butenol, you won't get it right. 2-methyl-1-propene-1-ol or 2-methylpropene-1-in-1-ol. If you give me 2-methylpropene-1-in-ol or 2-methyl-1-propenol, you won't get it. That is why the schools lost some points. We are very particular about this. Thank you. Do we have a challenge? Do we have a challenge coming? Okay, we have two challenges. Let me address the UPSHS one first. So they are saying they have methyl cyclopropanol. So, quiz mistress, so that's my answer. And you've written 1-methyl-cyclopropanol, which I didn't say. Then your answer, which you mean what your students gave. Methyl cyclopropanol is an isomer of C4H8O. What they have here is methyl cyclopropanol. It is what they have here that I assessed. Methyl cyclopropanol. It is not the same thing. Thank you. Then in Mfantsipim, I never said the compound is an alkyl or aldehyde. What I read was, and that is exactly what the students have, the compound with the molecular formula C4H8O has several isomeric compounds. So you would like to hear the answers to the problem of the day again, I would oblige you. 2-butanone, butanal, 2-methylpropanol, cyclobutanol, 1-methylcyclopropanol, 2-methylcyclopropanol, but1-in-2-ol, but2-in-2-ol, but3-in-2-ol, but1-in-1-ol, but2-in-1-ol, but3-in-1-ol, 2-methylprop-1-in-1-ol, 2-methylprop-2-in-1-ol. These were the 14 I gave. Do we have any more issues, please? Thank you. So we continue. This is round 4. This is round 4. It is the Dupe true or false round. I'm going to give each school a statement. Look at me. For this round, if you look elsewhere, you get whatever you say will be nullified. I'll give each school a statement. You tell me whether your statement is true or false. When you're right, you earn 2 points. When you're wrong, you lose a point. You may decide not to answer. Then another school may ring their bell to answer correctly for the 2 points or lose a point when they are wrong. Audience, please. I don't want to hear any sound from you. Whatever sound you make may have a meaning to your students, which I don't want to risk. So please, don't make any sound. You're allowed to clap. That's all. Thank you. Now, for this round, we have, or Dupe is offering, Dupe Money Transfer is offering an amount to each school when alumni of the school send money to Ghana through Dupe Money Transfer using the special promo codes I'll be giving to you. So once you send money to Ghana through Dupe Money Transfer using the promo code, your school will get some money for developmental projects in the school. It won't cost you anything. All you need to do is to send money to Ghana. So for university practice, your special code or your promo code is UPSHS, is in capital letters. Winneba, yours is Winnesec in capital letters, WINNESEC. That is your special promo code. In Mfantsipim, yours is Boche in capital letters, BOTWE. That is your promo code. So all alumni of these schools This is your opportunity to make money for your school without it costing you anything. The true or false round is proudly sponsored by DuPay Money Transfer. Meet a need, send via DuPay. I'll be starting the fourth round with University Practice Senior High School. I wish all schools the best. Round 4. Sine 210 degrees is equal to sine 30 degrees. Yes, Edwin.
False.
Correct. Winneba. Cos 210 degrees equals cos 30 degrees.
False.
Correct. Mfantsipim, tan 210 degrees is equal to tan 30 degrees. Yes, Peter.
True.
Correct. University practice. All birds have the same degree of skeletal pneumatization. Go ahead, Edwin.
False.
Correct. Winneba. A bird's heart is of the same basic design as that of a mammal.
True.
Correct. Mfantsipim. The rhythm of a bird's respiratory two-cycle pump is related to the beats of its wings. Go ahead, Peter.
It's true.
Incorrect. Preamble to all schools. And we have 30 seconds for this set. A 3-meter-long stretched string, clamped at both ends, vibrates in a mode with 2 nodes between its ends. A 3-meter-long stretched string, clamped at both ends, vibrates in a mode with 2 nodes between its ends. University practice. The wavelength of the vibration mode of the string is 3 meters.
False.
Correct. Winneba Senior High School. The distance between the 2 nodes is 2 meters.
False.
Correct. Mfantsipim. The wavelength of the vibration mode of the string is 2 meters. Go ahead.
True.
Correct. University practice. The pOH of a solution is directly proportional to the concentration of hydroxide ions.
True.
Incorrect. Winneba. Both pH and pOH are temperature dependent.
False.
Incorrect. Mfantsipim. In a strongly acidic solution, the pOH approaches 14 at room temperature. Yes, Peter.
It's true.
Correct. Preamble to all schools. The inequality 2 over the expression x plus 1 is greater than 0 is equivalent to the inequality 2 over the expression x plus 1 is greater than 0 is equivalent to university practice. 2 is greater than 0. Yes, Edwin.
False.
Correct. Winneba. The expression x plus 1 over 2 is less than 0. Yes, Farid.
False.
Correct. Mfantsipim, x plus 1 is greater than 0. Yes, Peter.
It's true.
Correct. Preamble to all schools. The following is a common characteristic shared by members of the classes under the phylum Mollusca. The following is a common characteristic shared by members of the classes under the phylum Mollusca. University practice. The presence of a muscular foot. Yes, Edwin.
It's true.
Correct. Winneba. The presence of a visceral mass.
False.
Incorrect. Mfantsipim. The presence of a mantle. Yes, Peter.
It's false.
Incorrect. University practice. Stop looking down. Just look at me. The induced EMF in a closed loop equals the time rate of change of the magnetic flux through the loop.
True.
Incorrect. Whenever the induced EMF in a closed loop is in such a direction as to oppose the change in flux causing it.
True.
Correct. Mfantsipim. The time rate of change of the magnetic flux through a closed loop equals the negative of the EMF induced in the loop. Peter.
It's false.
Incorrect. University practice. The rate of a zero-order reaction is independent of the concentration of the reactants. Yes?
It's true.
Correct. Whenever for a first-order reaction, the half-life depends on the initial concentration of the reactants.
True.
Incorrect. Mfantsipim. The rate law of a reaction can be determined from the stoichiometry of the balanced chemical equation. Yes, Peter.
It's false.
Correct. That's the end of the speech of the fourth round. Sorry. At the end of the Jupe True or False round, Winneba Senior High School had 28 points. University Praxis Senior High School had 43 points. And Mfantsipim School had 44 points. So contestants, we are in the fifth and final round. This is round 5. In this round, we are going to solve 4 riddles. I'll be giving you clues to help you solve the riddles. If you are able to solve the riddle on clue 1, 5 points, 2, 4 points, 3 to the very last one, 3 points. Each riddle comes to all schools, and you may take turns. If you take a turn and you are not successful, you sit out of competition for that particular riddle. You may join us if there is any after that. In this round, we have the Gore Riddle Bonanza. This will reward a school that is able to solve 3 riddles correctly or 4 riddles correctly. When you're able to solve 3 correctly, you earn at the stage 1,200 Ghana cedis, and this will go to the team. If you're able to solve all 4 riddles correctly, it will fetch you 1,600 Ghana cedis, also going to the team. The Gore Riddle Bonanza is proudly sponsored by Gore Good Energy. I wish you the best. As soon as you are ready with your solution, press the bell to alert me. I'll give you the opportunity to talk. We start. I am an operation on functions. I turn a linear function into a quadratic function. I also, yes, Mfantsipim.
Integration.
Correct. 3 points. 3. We continue. I am a type of echinoderm. I'm a type of echinoderm. I have an endoskeleton just below the skin. I have a soft and cylindrical body, rounded off and occasionally fat in the extremities, and generally without solid appendages. Part of my name represents a large body of salty water. Yes, Mfantsipim.
So you are the sea urchin.
Incorrect. 2 rounds. 2 rounds. University Practice. Look at me.
The brittle star.
Incorrect. A large body of salty water, and another part represents a creeping plant that bears cylindrical to spherical fruits, which are used as culinary vegetables. Look at me, don't look anywhere. I am named for my resemblance to the fruit of the cucumber plant. Who am I? Winneba.
You are the sea cucumber.
Correct. I am a fiscal quantity. I'm a fiscal quantity. Look, last warning. I am a fiscal quantity. I am one of the quantities that specify the dynamical state of a particle. I'm conserved whenever, yes, Mfantsipim.
Linear momentum.
Correct. We continue. I am a transition metal. transition metal. Mfantsipim, please. I need to end the contest. Thank you. I'm a transition metal. I belong to the platinum group of metals. I'm the rarest of the platinum metals. I am used as a catalytic converter to reduce harm. Yes, Mfantsipim.
Palladium.
No, please. I am used as a catalytic converter to reduce harmful emissions from vehicles. I'm in group 9 of the periodic table. My symbol is RH. Who am I, Winneba?
Rhodium.
Correct. That's the end of the contest. No one won the Gore Riddle Bonanza. We have come to the end of the contest. And so I thank you for joining us for this contest. Do make it a point to join us for the next contest, which also promises to be exciting. The National Science and Math Quiz is proudly sponsored by the Ghana Education Service in partnership with Gore PLC and supported by Joy News, Pepsodent, Dupay Money Transfer, Prudential Life Insurance Ghana, Bettermalt, ALX, Kivo, Bell Beverages, Flora Tissues, Coronation Insurance, Accra College of Medicine, University of Mines and Technology, Academic City University College, PMMC Jewelry, GTP, CHAS, YFM, and Gelmark Foundation. The 2024 edition of the STEM Festival will come off from 7th to 23rd November 2024. Join us as we delve into the theme, exploring agri-tech solutions to boost Ghana's economy. So at the end of this contest, these are the scores. Winneba Senior High School ended with 34 points. University Praxis Senior High School ended with 43 points. So Winneba Senior High School and University Praxis Senior High School, I wish you the best in whatever you do from here. Mfantsipim School won the contest with 50 points. Mfantsipim School, for winning this contest, You have qualified for the quarterfinal stage, and I wish you the best. As you go on, I pray you go further from the quarterfinal stage. If your score happens to be the highest for the day, you stand the chance of winning the Pepsodent Highest Scorer Award, which at the stage is worth 2,000 Ghana cedis. The Pepsodent Highest Scorer Award is sponsored by Pepsodent. Every smile matters. My name is Dr. Gladys Naode Shringa, your quiz mistress. This is a Primetime production. Bye for now.